Hello guys, welcome to One Omega Night. So guys, today I will unbox Xiaomi wireless keyboard and mouse. So it was purchased by my brother. So I thought I should make an unbox video of this keyboard and mouse. So now let's get started. See guys, here I am unboxing it. So here we have keyboard and a mouse. I'll open my mouse here. So it looks good and feels like a Mac. So when you open a mouse, you will get a receiver and there is a battery slot. But note that batteries are not included with the mouse. I just put it and I close it. So we'll check the keyboard here. It looks very good and looks like a Mac feel to it. So this will get when you purchase the keyboard and mouse. So I think it has a 1 year warranty. So I'll just put it into my system here to connect it and test it out. And guys, one more thing, this is a silicone coating which it gets. It protects you from dust and water. So it's now connecting my brother's PC, and so the response rate was good. The clicks were very smooth and it looks good. So if you want to buy this keyboard and mouse, links are in the below description. There's Amazon link to buy. And guys, if you didn't subscribe to my YouTube channel, just click on subscribe button and link bell icon to get notifications regularly when I upload new video.